I haven't shown my face in ages. Like, it's been forever since I've vlogged properly. Excuse this situation because I'm just trying to like, oh, I put so much blush on. I'm just trying to go to FemSoc. Basically, it's Monday, last week of term. I had my supervision today. That went really well. It was really fun. It was about Keats and Byron. That was really cute. Last essay of the term was handed in yesterday, so no more essays. I'm going home on Friday or Saturday, I'm not sure. But yeah, tonight I'm going to Trinity FemSoc, where we're gonna discuss black women's liberation. Should the mandem stay at home? That's gonna be so fun. So I haven't vlogged in ages, or I have vlogged, but you can see from the one before they're really like fragmented, which is bad because kind of I got messed up when it started snowing, and then yeah. But anyway, since it's the last week, I'll try to be more regular. I look like a mess. Anyway, let's go to Trinity FemSoc, and yeah, after that I'm going to Wagamama's with the girls, which should be fun. But yeah, I'll take you.
Opening doors.
Congratulations on the next vlog.
Huh?
Congratulations on the last vlog.
Thank you. Did you watch it? How did you find it?
No, I thought it was good.
That's good. Okay. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Recording.
What for? Vlog?
Yeah.
What question? No. Yo, T, are you college married yet?
No.
Do you want to get college married?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Like that. Oh,
Can I just say,
now
that was me. That was me.
No, it wasn't.
Who did you just ask him? Have you got a question? If I didn't ask him that, you guys would have got married.
Is it time to Ruben? Is he the best man?
And I went deeper into the real issues of black men because I wasn't confident. I'm not going to say that.
Hi guys, it's such a pretty day. Well, as pretty as it gets as of recent. I'm gonna go to town and sign Stephen Hawking's memorial book and just like pay my respects, and then go buy one or two things. So I thought I'd vlog basically, and it's an alright day. It's alright. Hi guys, I am in King's, like just walking through it, and basically I feel like sometimes you need to just take a second and and deep, or like think about where you are, because it's mad. It's actually mad. Like if I like just stand here and look at this building and like just look at everything, I'm like, well, your average girl from West London State Comprehensive School, like obviously not the best school, get here. Like, does that make sense? Obviously we all know Professor Stephen Hawking just passed away, so it kind of made me like have like imposter syndrome, where I was like, how is someone like me, who like has like no significance whatsoever in the world, studying at the same institution as one of the greatest minds of our generation? Like this morning I was just like obviously sad, and yeah, it just brought on some like strong imposter syndrome, where I just felt like, what am I doing here? Like, look at it. Like, I'm just like, I'm just like, I don't know. It is important for me to remember that, you know, I deserve to be here and just deserve this space just as much as anyone else. And I think that's really what you guys should take from this. Like, don't think that Cambridge is too big for you or out of your reach. You just have to remember that you deserve a place here just like anybody else. I'm from Hounslow, yeah, West London, Lambton School, and now I am literally a member of Cambridge University for life, which is just like more than a dream. Like, obviously things here get tough, and I'm at Homerton, so it is kind of a good thing that I forget I'm in Cambridge, but sometimes it's bad because I forget I'm in Cambridge. So I just kind of came to like remind myself that this is where I study and the university I'm a member of for life. You can see people punting. Oh my gosh, I need to go punting next time and show you. And in the background you can see the UL. So these are the scenes, guys. These are the scenes that kind of make you remember that Cambridge is secured. My English course mate. Is it course mate? Classmate? Course mate? He is my supervision partners. So we're at WAG and I don't know how to break chopsticks. So that's what happened.
It requires enunciation. A lot. I've only got this.
I'm vlogging. Basically, it's a vlog, and I want you to explain like to the people like.
What am I explaining? What's going on?
What's divest?
I can do that. Okay, we're marching for divestment and for climate justice and divestment from fossil fuels. We've got 200 people here because this is something that needs to happen now. We need to target towards the university management. The university management are blocking divestment in the same way that they're blocking. Too distracted.
Nathania, I see you holding that. Yeah? Oh, it's upside down.
I can write all of these, I like to say.
Oh my God.
No more. You hide behind bureaucracy, we want democracy. You hide behind bureaucracy, we want democracy. You hide behind bureaucracy, we want democracy. Tell me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. Tell me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. Tell me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. Tell me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. I think we're getting ready. I think we're there.
Do you know what? I tell you what. If I reach the end of my natural lifespan and I see charging points everywhere rather than petrol stations, I will die a very happy man. Because that will mean the world will be a different place to the one I was living in.
Definitely.
As I was saying to the people over there, the sole reason I have not learned to drive a car is because I don't want to be a part of the problem.
Yes.
Amazing
I'm following Malcolm X's advice.
When we divest from fossil fuels, I want to be in when we divest from fossil fuels. Okay, this is another thing. Ooh, Cambridge, do you know what that's worth? A just and sustainable art. Cambridge, do you know what that's worth? A just and sustainable art. Second best I can make goes, come on Cambridge, we won't give up till we have Earth just and sustainable Earth. Come on Cambridge, we won't give up till we have Earth just and sustainable Earth. Make some noise, guys!
I love it. Tell us details about this. Tell us what you know about. Okay, I'll hold
the very brief discussion about divestment. So divestment is, in this case, getting the university to cut ties to fossil fuel companies and investments. And why that's important for particularly black and brown people is black and brown people are more likely to be on the forefront of climate change issues and to suffer for it. We need to combat how we use fossil fuels to help black and brown communities. And that's live, man, that's live.
Exactly.
Yes. There's actually so many people, I didn't even look hard on it. Hey, hang on a minute.
I love it.
Hey, Dano.
Say hey! Say hey!
Wait, that one. Because it's the last week, and guess where it's the last week, and look where I am, look who I'm with, look what he's wearing.
I might change this, I don't know.
I don't know. Wow, this is his lovely...
We're in my flat.
Yeah.
My flat in London.
The Shard.
Yes, and it's amazing to end term. How do you feel that end term has ended?
It's been long, but it's been
long
good.
Time. It's been long as fuck.
27 essays.
That's what you've been talking about, right? It's just been long. But we're done now, we're free for 5 weeks.
Tonight.
So tonight where are we going? We're going to a party.
Yeah, a house party.
And then we're going to maybe Homerton
Roll.
to drop you home.
So I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
And I'll review everything. But yes,
We love you, bye.
Tonight's been a busy night because I went to Wolfson, as you saw, to get ready with Ibs and his friends. So yeah, that was fun. And then I went to Robinson for a house party, and then I asked Marielle to come over, so she came over. She's gone back to Claire now. But then I went to Life, and there was a Homerton Bop today, which Mo and my college husbands went to, so I didn't get to go. But guess who I'm with now?
Hi.
I love you.
Hello.
Guys, you know
I'm Mohammed, if you don't recognise me already.
This is Mohammed, he does.
I do NATSCI, NATSCI
at
Homerton College, the best college.
Out of 10?
11.
Wait.
Oh, what?
Homerton out of 10.
Homerton out of 10 is like 15.
And then your course out of 10.
Let's not talk.
Let's not talk about that. Pause.
It's just really famous. All the tourists know about it.
Okay. I don't know what this is, but everyone always talks about it. So
The Corpus Christi clock. There you
what
go,
does it
Corpus
do?
clock.
Tell us.
It tells us the time.
Why? Wait, this way. The light.
I said why?
Okay. Tell us the history about the clock.
Some clapped engineer made this.
Yeah.
And yeah, I don't know. It's like the original clocks had some sort of pendulum thing with a stepper on top to keep the time. So he's just made it like a grasshopper.
How long has it been here? How many centuries?
Time? No, not time centuries. Not that long. I don't know. It's been here for like quite a few years, but.
Okay, can any of you explain why it's snowing in mid-March?
Global warming.
It was actually really
global warming is melting the ice caps, diluting the Gulf Stream. It's diluting Polluting the Gulf Stream. Yeah, which is bringing the warm air to England. So that's actually going to get colder due to global warming. England's going to get frosty. It's going to be a frosty boy.
England to get cold when everything's meant to get
Are we going to die?
Yes. Eventually.
Interesting. I can't believe I took my camera into the club. That's a bit
It's 1 degree right now.
And
oh, that's fine.
I'm not that way. Don't worry, but I just wanted to like talk to you guys actually. I wanted to talk a bit about term and Cambridge. So I've been worried that my vlogs have been like showing Cambridge in too much of an idealistic way, and you know, for like all the days I didn't vlog, those were the vlogs that was actually like, those were the days that I was actually like down and depressed and like just in bed, not going to lectures, not doing anything, waking up really late. And I'll speak a bit about this later, but I don't want you to see my vlogs as like the idealistic Cambridge life, because it's definitely not like that. I think I've presented it as very idealistic, but it's far from that. Like there are days where many people just have down days, and it's just really hard to like get up and go, because it is tough. I'm not joking, it is tough. It can weigh on you, but I think that's part of the Cambridge life, it's part of the parcel. And yeah, I'll talk about this maybe in my second term review. But yeah, my vlogs, like, don't think I'm enjoying, like, obviously I enjoy it here, but don't think I'm having like fun every single second of every single day, because it's not like that. But I'll touch on that later. But any day, let's take you back to Mohammed, because he's my favorite.
Hello again. Hi, I'm here, ready for a weird night out. I'm not jumping in the cab, by the way.
It's not.
It's too cold for that behaviour.
Wait, what's
and that's
this?
What I do.
And why do you have a monkey?
So we had a jungle bop at Homerton College.
Yeah.
I had a very problematic t-shirt. I don't know if you can
Coolest
see.
monkey in the jungle.
It's the H&M t-shirt thing. I just printed it out and
It's a
stuck it on my
rendition.
shirt.
It's a rendition of it.
Yeah, I found this on the floor in the bop, and it was just perfect. So I stole it, and I've still got it now.
And he won a monkey for it. So yeah, this is it. It's been a fun first term of vlogging.
Also, you can like slay London during your holiday.
To see all of my lifestyle, actually, just go on my Snapchat or Insta, because that's where I'll be updating. I won't vlog.
She'll put it at the bottom of the page right now.
Tina's and I'll put Mohammed. Shout out Mohammed.
Thank you.
If you want any advice for bio NATSCI,
there you go. Yeah, I will
Bio
tell you what not
NATSCI.
to do. Yeah, bio NATSCI.
He'll tell you what not to do, how to apply, your interview, everything. Hit up Mohammed. I'll leave everything down below. Yes, thank you. We'll see you later.
Yes, we will.
Bye.
Get used to me. I'll be here a lot.
He will. Keep an eye out. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. That's not a regular
This is what I have to deal with. This is what I have to deal with. Oh my god. I can't wait for next year. It's gonna be lit. These are the best guys in Homerton. Guys, this is Con and DK.
Are we still videoing? Are you taking
Jules. And yeah, you'll see a lot of them. They'll see a lot of you. You're gonna have to just accept that you're gonna be very public figures. Because you're right.
It's like on Instagram when you've got like 500 followers, you put public figure.
That will be them.
A public figure.
That will be soon. Okay, say bye guys. Good night. Guys, that is another term done. We're out of here. Goodbye, West House 434. Until next time. Bye.